May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your name?
My full name is Ariful Islam, but my friends and family members love to call me Ariful. If you feel free, you can call me Ariful because this is my nickname and I'm quite familiar with this name. Thank you for your asking, ma'am.
Do you like your name?
Definitely, because it has a beautiful meaning. It means wisdom.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course, because it's my identity and this name represents me to the world.
Can I see ID, please?
Oh, sure, ma'am. Here it is.
Oh, it's okay. Take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Rajshahi, but currently I'm living in Manikganj for my education purpose. And Manikganj is a very beautiful district of Bangladesh. It is one of the most beautiful and well-known district in Bangladesh, I think.
How old are you?
I'm only 35.
Do you work or study?
Oh, ma'am, I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study English at college.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club, Manikganj.
Thank you so much.
You are most
You are
welcome.
most welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Alaikum assalam.